Wedding. Well, anyways, this is an adorable family. You can't lie.
Sipag ng asawa ko ah.
And then there's my dad. I think the bestie is AFK.
Sipag ah.
The wedding is not looking too bright. The sun has set.
Renovate niya yung bahay namin ah.
Wedding dress and my dad's suit.
General cleaning siya ngayon.
Mom and dad, I think I can have.
Siya lang daw mag-isa eh. Wag daw siyang tutulungan.
Sure. I don't think I can dance.
Ang bilis lang ng araw. Sabado na naman. Kaya, it's cleaning day today. Tapos ako naman, nandito ako sa kusina, nagluluto ako ng pagkain namin. Tapos sila, Daddy, tsaka si Dior, sa AL, naglilinis sila dun sa sala.
Are you ready?
30 more seconds.
Okay, 1,
Yan, tama yan, maglinis kayo.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good.
We are cleaning the orphanage.
Ayan, nagluto ako ng tinolang manok. Ayan. Okay na ba to? Okay naman na siguro. Okay na to. Malambot na yung chicken. So, maghahain na tayo ngayon. So, ayan ang busy nila. Ililinis si Daddy doon.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why did you need to go like sideways to go through it when you know?
Change into a cute rich baby plushie.
Alright guys, jokes aside, wait for this big reveal.
Wow. So dripped out for Valentine's Day. I just know they are going to melt when they sing. They always melt whenever they sing, especially the girls. Beach wedding. Well, anyways, this is an adorable family. You can't lie.
Sipag ng asawa ko ah.
And then there's my dad. I think the bestie is AFK.
Sipag ah.
The wedding is not looking too bright. The sun has set.
Renovate niya yung bahay namin ah.
Wedding dress and my dad's suit.
General cleaning siya ngayon.
Mom and dad, I think I can have.
Siya lang daw mag-isa eh. Wag daw siyang tutulungan.
Sure. I don't think I can dance. When's the marrying happening? Like, I'm the baby that's gonna Dr.
Sipag ng asawa ko. Galing ah. Yan, nag-set up siya ng bagong table dito. Galing naman. So, ayan. Napaglinis na siya. Wow! May new table na siya. Hi. Sana all. Sana all.
See, Mommy? You have a crush on Daddy.
Taray, karpentero. Marunong pa magsukat. Hindi lang pogi yan, karpentero pa yan. Oh. Tamo, tamo. May mga measurement pa yan. So may bagong table na sa ate. Ganyan. Tama. Sure.
Looks like Jack is going
Kape muna tayo.
Okay, I hope I can skip something because I'm like so much conditioning, I'm exhausted.
busy pa rin dito mag-ayos si daddy. Naka-day off ako. Nakaupo lang ako dito, tapos paka-pick up eh. Tapos siya, inaayos niya dito. Inaayos niya yung bahay.
Okay, now I have this monitor so that I can watch my chat.
So ito na, alas 6 na kasi ng gabi, kaya mag-exercise naman na ako ngayon. Tapos, ganito lang, Sabado, ito yung araw namin today. Ayan, hindi pa tapos si daddy magligpit. Tapos ako naman mag-exercise na ako. Okay. Zumba.
Hi, Mariam. Hi, thank you for being here with us today in the podcast.
Mommy, I want to watch.
Magpapapawis tayo ngayon.
Mommy, look.
So ito na, pinagpawisan na ako. Grabe. Ang sarap pala sa pakiramdam, no? Pag nag-exercise at pinagpapawisan. So after ko mag-exercise, umorder si daddy ng pizza! Ayan. O diba, after kong exercise, kakain naman tayo. Ayan, diba? Siyempre, pambawi. So, ituloy natin exercise natin. Mamaya na tayo kakain.
Daddy, look, it's you.
Grabe yung pawis ko. Basag-basa yung damit ko. Katatapos ko lang mag-exercise din. Tapos, ito kakain na kami. Diba? Pambawi ito eh. Pizza. Grabe! Ay! Pawisan ako! Para na ako naligo sa pawis ko, oh. Ayan, oh. My goodness. Kain tayo.
Stupid you really got.
Mercy, where are you?
Daddy, we can pray.
Wait, Mercy! Oh my God, it's horses, it's attention.
Pawisan ako. So, after ko mag-exercise, kakain naman tayo ngayon ng pizza. Tada! Sabi naman sa'yo eh. Minsan diet, minsan hindi. Diba? Ganun lang yan. Tara, kain tayo.
Especially when it's nighttime. There's a
At dahil ayaw kumain ni Dior ng pizza, kaya eto, subang ko na lang siya ng kanin. Tinolang manok yung ulam niya. Hindi kasi siya mahilig sa mga ganyan eh, yung mga burger, pizza. Kakain pa rin talaga siya ng kanin. Buti na lang, mas okay yan kaysa naman dun sa mga hindi healthy,
I
diba?
will be careful. I knew there was a lot of gear. Alright, we have officially made it inside of the school.
Alright.
Sleeping time na guys, please. Sleeping time. So ayun, tapos na ako maligo at patutulugin ko na tong dalawang to kasi nga maaga pa kaming gigising bukas at may worship pa. Ha, say good night na. Good night everyone. Good night. So dito na matatapos yung buong Sabado namin, kung ano yung mga ginawa namin dito sa bahay. Hindi kami lumabas, dito lang sa bahay. So, yun lang. And thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.